Hello everyone and welcome to this new Systeme.io tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create and customize your very own rotating text like this example you're having here. This rotating text on Systeme.io, you can customize it and put it everywhere you want or need. It could be a text, it could be a title like here in the example. If you don't have a Systeme.io account, you can create one for free using the link in the description. And also, I will be giving you this exact code I'm using here. And you can get it just by clicking on the link, first link in the description. So to do so, I'm going to show you what it looks like here, but we're going to build one from scratch right here. I'm on a Systeme.io page. You just need to take any type of page. I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to create a test. And I will use, I don't know, Squarespace just for the example, okay? We could use, I don't know, let's see what we have here. Empowering women and girls. Well, you could use, actually you could use any type of example you would like. But let's take the, well, let's use this one, okay? So once you have your page, it could be an existing page. You're going to click on edit page on the right. And then you're going to see where you wish to see the rotating text you want to have. Okay, it could be anywhere in your page. So just for here, I'm going to put it here on the header as a title. So on the left hand side, I'm going to choose a raw HTML block and I'm going to drag and drop it where I want to see my text, my title. Okay, so it doesn't want to let me use it here. Sorry, tag. Oh, well, anyway, let's use it here. Okay, and we're going to use this as an example. Okay, so okay, we're going to use this one. Okay, so once you have your raw HTML block here, I'm going to click on it. So on the left hand side, it's going to open the edit code. I'm going to click it and I'm going to erase what's inside. I'm going to put my own code that will give you for free just by clicking the link in the description. So I come here, I paste my code. It's a really long code. If you're not used to it, don't be worried. It's pretty easy to understand because at each sections you will see a title. And basically it's giving you what's inside, okay? What you are modifying or customizing if you want to customize anything inside of the code. So what we want is, let's say we have it here and we want to use, let's say we want to use this, okay? Meet the best doctors. So I'm going to click on my code, edit code. And here I can choose from the font to the size, to the color, to the text, what's inside. We're going all the way down. We want to use first the static text. We want to customize this one here first. So I will use it here and I'm going to paste meet the best doctors. And this is the static text I have. If I click on save, I click on save changes and I'm going to preview. This is what it's going to look like, okay? So now what I can do is I can customize if I click on edit code again, and I can customize the rotating text. So I have my static text here. I'm going to show you how you can then customize the size and everything and the color and everything. And then I have my rotating words here that I can customize. Okay. So we can say meet the best doctors for, we could use it here and we could say for, and we can here could use your, I don't know, your kids, your parents. I'm just making this up, okay, for example, your friends. And that's it, okay? Let's say we just want 3, okay? So if I have extra, I'm just going to erase them, making sure that I leave the bracket outside and I'm just canceling inside. And if I want to add more, I'm just going to copy what's already here. And it's I want more rotating text. So I have a comma, a space, and then I open. So I will do comma, space, and then I open so I can customize. Let's say we do it like this, okay? So once it's good, I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to save changes, and we're going to have a preview to see. Okay, meet the best doctors for your kids, for your parents, etc., etc. Okay, now let's say I want to change the font, and I want my font to be the exact same I have here, and I want to have the same I don't know, I want to use the same color, like this kind of pink color and a blue or white anything. So I'm going to show it here. So I say I want the same font. So I'm going to look for the font. It's Scan It. So I'm going to use the exact same one. So I'm going again on my block. I'm going to click Edit. And here I want to use the font here. Can it? Let's say I want a bigger text. So I'm going to change the font size. Let's say I want to have, which color I say I want it? The pink one. So it's too big, obviously. So what did I do? Not 1,000, I say 100, sorry, up. And let's say I want this pink because I want my branding to match exactly. So sorry, I'm maybe going too fast. So I'm going to click on the button here. And on the left-hand side, if I go to colors, I have the background color. So here I have the color code. I want to copy it and paste it inside of my code. So I'm going to select copy. I'm going back inside of my code. I'm going to edit code. And then if I go to the animated text and I have text color here, I'm going to make sure that after I'm selecting the text, I can paste the proper color. And I have text shadow. See, I'm going to let it so you can see what text shadow is. I have the cursor style. I can have a different color and everything. I'm going to leave it as it is so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on save. And again, save changes. So I'm already seeing here the cursor is blue. So let's see what it looks like here. So it's bigger. I have the proper font. And see, there is a kind of a blue overlay behind the text. So let's say I want to change this. So it's pretty easy. I go back to editor. I'm going to my code again. And here I could change the text shadow. See, and I could put, I could leave it like this. I could put, I don't know, let's say we want it in pink again. So it's the same here. I want to put it here also because I want it all pink. And the cursor, I want it pink too. Okay. And I'm going to click on save. So now everything is pink, okay? And I click on save changes, and now it's big, okay? So it's pretty easy, and I could, let's say for example, I don't want my rotating text being here, but I want it to be, I don't know, let's say, where could I put it? Okay, let's say it's a text. So I will need, obviously I will need to adjust the size of the font. So I'm going back here, and for the font, I'm going to choose maybe, I don't know, let's test 20, save. See, it gets smaller here. Let's click save. Let's see the preview. So it's not up here anymore, but it's here. So I have to adjust and everything, okay? So you can put it anywhere you want. So if you want this code, just click on the link in the description, and then you can customize your code. It's pretty easy. And if you don't have a if you don't have a Systeme account, just click on the second link in the description and create one for free. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video. It's really good for, it's encouraging for me. Okay, thank you. Bye.